everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video from PsychoSterope. Good to have you here. Today we're going to work on restoring your Safex Cash wallet. If you're not familiar with Safex Cash, well, I'm not sure what to tell you. If you're viewing this video, chances are you know what Safex Cash is, and you've been mining either to a Linux wallet or to a paper wallet. And the point of this video is to help you bring your wallet into Windows. Now, here in the near future, our wonderful developer, Daniel, will be bringing a GUI wallet, or a graphical user interface wallet, to Windows, which will make this process simpler. But until that point, I figured I would go ahead and set us up with the CLI wallet in Windows. Sorry about my speech. It just doesn't want to come out of my mouth today. So, I'm going to assume that you've gone to the Safex Core GitHub, you've downloaded the wallet, and you're wondering, what do I do now? So, as you can see here, I've got my Safex folder ready to go. I have a notepad with my 25 seed words, and what we're going to do is we're going to get started. So, we're going to put this down here. We're going to click on the Safex folder, and we're going to run the daemon, which is safexd.exe. So we just click on that, we allow it to run. You may get a pop-up asking you for access through the firewall. Just click allow, it'll take a second, and it will begin downloading the blockchain. Now right now the blockchain is just under 400 megabytes, so it won't take up much room. It's something you're going to need to access your wallet, so just let it run. It does take a couple minutes to get started, and then it shouldn't take too long to propagate the entire blockchain. As you can see, it's going here pretty quick now. We are currently at 82,600-ish blocks, and it'll jump right through it. So we'll let that run for just a moment, and we'll go from there. Alright, so now you've got your daemon all synced up. You got your own personal copy of the blockchain, which you need to have anyway in order to see your wallet balance, right? So what are we going to do next? Well, let's make sure our Safex folder is opened up, and you're going to want to right-click on Safex, copy address as text. We can go ahead and minimize this real quick. Then let's right-click on the Windows key, go to Command Prompt, or alternatively, you can hold the Windows key and press R, run a pop-up, type in CMD. Now we have another command prompt. Now, we need to get into the folder, this folder, in order to access the wallet stuff. So we're going to type CD, and then Control-V to paste our folder which we copied, hit Enter. Now, we're in this folder, inside of command prompt. Now what we want to do is we're going to type Safex-wallet-CLI space. Now the command we need to bring our seed words in is restore-deterministic-wallet. Now I always misspell it, so I copy it and I paste it in. I'll have the wording down for you below in the description so you can copy and paste it as you follow along. So Control-V to paste. There we go, restore deterministic wallet. Hit enter. It's going to pop up, it's going to ask you for a wallet file name. I'm going to name mine video since, well, I'm making a video. Here's where it wants our seed words. So open up your seed words, copy it, and paste it. Control V. Right? Now, we don't have a seed encryption passphrase. I don't at least. So I'm going to hit enter. Now once a password for the wallet, this is very important. You will not see any letters, stars, or anything appear on the screen, so make sure you know what it is, type it in correctly. We'll put in my password, hit enter. Now I need to confirm it. And there we go. Now, as you can see here on the screen, there's our wallet address. It even gives us another copy of the words. If you don't already have them, I would hope you do. But at least you can confirm these are the same words you have written down. Now, depending on when you started mining, you can either have the wallet scan the blockchain from when you started, if you know about the block number, or you can start from 0. Personally, I like to start from 0 because I don't necessarily remember what block number I was on. I think it was around block 3000, but that was so long ago, I don't remember. So I'm just going to hit enter. It's going to scan the entire blockchain, but of course this wallet's empty because I created it just for this video. Once this is done, I'll show you how to exit out of everything, and you'll be ready to rock. As you can see, it goes pretty quick. Hopefully a lot quicker than what it took for you to download the copy of the blockchain, which of course is different for everybody depending on how fast your internet is or how fast the network's going. But we're almost done here. Pretty simple, actually. And there we go. This wallet is now fully synced up with the blockchain. If you have a balance, you'll see it here. You'll see a cash balance, unlocked cash balance, token balance, unlocked token balance. Now, if you don't know the difference, your cash balance, if say you're currently mining, you're on my pool or the Safex News pool or cryptominingpools.net, whichever one you're on, and you're currently mining, well, every time a payment goes out, it comes into your wallet and it's locked. It's locked for about 10 blocks, and that's just to confirm the transactions and everything went through. After that point, it becomes unlocked. Unlocked is what you're able to spend in the marketplace once it's available, or transfer to somebody else, or even transfer it to one of the exchanges if you want to sell it directly that way. Your token balance, same thing. If you've got tokens, you'll see them here. Alright guys, that's about it for the tutorial on how to restore it. Now, it is imperative that you exit these windows properly. Sorry, there was a hiccup there. Sort of cut out for a moment. Sorry about that. So, let's minimize these, get them out of the way. And you just need to type exit. Okay, that one's disconnected. And now let's type exit in the daemon, and that will close out. There we go. It'll disconnect you from the network. And voila, you are now properly exited. Everything's saved. And you're good to go. Now, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll answer when I can. But also, don't forget, you can always find me or one of the other helpful people on the Safex Discord, which will also be linked below. Or you can send me an email directly at cnpoolsspace@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and we'll catch you in the next one.